Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best tomato knife that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Wusthof Classic Tomato Knife. Wusthof Classic Tomato Knife is again a mid of quality and price. It offers limited features in this pricing. There is another variant of Wusthof Classic Tomato Knife which falls into premium category, but Wusthof Classic Tomato Knife is specifically targeted for mid-segment. The classic 5 inches tomato knife has a serrated edge that enables the blade to slice through tomatoes without damaging the delicate fruit inside. The fork tip is ideal for picking up the thinly sliced produce for serving. Much like a serrated utility knife, the tomato knife could also be used to cut citrus fruits or other small fruits and vegetables. Wusthof Classic Tomato Knife offers such amazing features which makes it better than 70% of tomato knife available in the market today. At number 4. Messermeister Handcrafted Serrated Tomato Knife. Messermeister Handcrafted Serrated Tomato Knife is a relatively new and late entrant in the market but surprisingly has surpassed beyond Cutlery Serrated Tomato Knife which have been in market longer than anyone. Messermeister Handcrafted Serrated Tomato Knife brings you the best of the quality in the lowest possible cost. The best feature of Messermeister Handcrafted Serrated Tomato Knife is what has kept in the market. The products that bear our brand are born of a unique combination of our German engineering and California style. World-renowned chefs, professional and home cooks who care about precision quality and performance choose Messermeister when preparing the food they love. At number 3. Victorinox Green Tomato Knife. Victorinox Green Tomato Knife is a veteran in the market and has been here for a long time. It offers something of a unique feature which no other competitor offers. While the market is running after Rada Cutlery stainless steel tomato slicing knife blade, Mercer Culinary Renaissance forged tomato knife, Prodyne CK300 knife for tomato Victorinox, Green Tomato Knife has always had loyal customers for that particular feature and this has safeguarded its market share and they have successfully been able to keep their longtime users happy. Go for Victorinox Green Tomato Knife if you want to try out something of a fusion of new and classic. Fun and interesting fact about tomato knife is that even though Victorinox Green Tomato Knife is a veteran, the users are mostly younger generation. You can say fashion makes a turn after a century or so and things repeat. At number 2. Prodyne CK300 Knife for Tomato. This knife is specially designed with a unique open surface blade and lifetime sharp serrated edge. The open surface blade reduces friction and keeps food from sticking. Particularly suited for all types of cheese to produce a perfect slice, thick or thin, every time. Also ideal for fruits and vegetables. Quality crafted stainless steel blade with durable Bakelite handle. Going ahead with our list, we have something very specific to a specific audience. Yes, Prodyne CK300 Knife for Tomato has a very selective audience with specific taste. It satisfies customer expectations, given that your expectations don't cross a limit, and it adds value for money but more importantly, it adds a style to the user which can be your fashion statement. Finally at number 1. Rada Cutlery Stainless Steel Tomato Slicing Knife Blade. Value for money is the ultimate aim of every person out there. You want the best you can, or better, for the bucks you pay. In terms of tomato knife, Rada Cutlery Stainless Steel Tomato Slicing Knife Blade would be your best bet for getting a value for money. Launched quite time ago, Rada Cutlery Stainless Steel Tomato Slicing Knife Blade was the best sold product and even today, the sales numbers speak. The handle is comprised of a black stainless steel resin that can be washed in the dishwasher. Hand washing fine cutlery is recommended but the handle on this knife is dishwasher tolerant. It has just the right thickness for comfort and performance. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.